Make the bed.
Make the bed.
I always make the bed after waking up. Take a shower.
Take a shower.
She takes a shower every morning. Catch a cold.
Catch a cold.
He caught a cold last weekend. Break the rules.
Break the rules.
Don't break the rules in class. Do homework.
Do homework.
The kids are doing their homework now. Have lunch.
Have lunch.
We usually have lunch at noon. Get dressed.
Get dressed.
I get dressed before breakfast. Go shopping.
Go shopping.
Let's go shopping this afternoon. Save time.
Save time.
Using the subway saves time. Miss the bus.
Miss the bus.
I missed the bus again.